What easy gourmet meal screams impressive for teens? Imagine serving a meal that looks like it belongs in a fancy restaurant but takes only a little time and effort. That's what makes a gourmet meal perfect for teenagers wanting to impress friends or family. One great option is BBQ chicken sliders with a side of 5-ingredient coleslaw and instant pot macaroni and cheese. This combo is simple to make, looks appealing, and tastes fantastic. The sliders use shredded chicken seasoned with spices and cooked in a slow cooker or oven. You can buy pre-cooked chicken or cook fresh chicken breasts, which take about 20 minutes in boiling water or 25 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, shred the chicken with 2 forks, mix in barbecue sauce, and pile it on mini buns. You can find mini buns in most grocery stores, usually around $1 for a pack of 8. Top the sliders with extra barbecue sauce or pickles if you like. For the sides, the coleslaw is super easy. Just mix shredded cabbage and carrots with a dressing made from mayonnaise, vinegar, salt, and pepper. It only takes about 5 minutes to prepare and adds a fresh crunch to the meal. The macaroni and cheese is made in an instant pot, which is a fast and safe way to cook pasta and cheese sauce. Boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni in the instant pot for 4 minutes under high pressure. Drain the water, then stir in a mixture of milk, shredded cheddar cheese, butter, and a pinch of salt. The cheese melts quickly, creating a creamy sauce. This meal is impressive because it combines familiar flavors with a gourmet presentation. The sliders look cute and feel special, while the sides add variety and color. Plus, making everything in the Instant Pot saves time and makes cleanup easier. Teens can customize the sliders by adding sliced pickles, onions, or extra barbecue sauce. They can also try different cheeses or add a dash of hot sauce to the mac and cheese for extra flavor. This meal helps teens learn how to cook multiple components at once, manage time, and present food neatly. It's a perfect way to practice everyday life skills and gain confidence in the kitchen. Remember, always taste your food before serving and adjust seasoning if needed. Using simple ingredients and straightforward steps makes gourmet cooking accessible and fun. With a little practice, teens can turn this meal into a go-to for impressing friends or enjoying a special family dinner.